In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Weebly website without publishing it. This is perfect if you're looking for feedback or just want to showcase your work to friends without making it live for the world to see. Let's dive right into the process. First, open up your preferred browser and head over to Weebly's official site. You can simply type Weebly in your search bar and look for the link that says Free Website Builder to get you started. This will direct you to their homepage where you'll find all the tools you need to build a stunning website. Once you're on the site, the next thing you'll want to do is log in. You'll need to enter your email and password. If you've previously linked your Weebly account with Square, you can effortlessly log in from there as well. If you don't have an account with them yet, you may need to sign up before you can access the dashboard. After logging in, proceed by clicking on Login once more, which should take you directly to your Weebly dashboard. From here, select Overview from the menu options available. This section gives you an outline of all your website essentials and the status of your current projects. Now look for and click on Edit Site. This is where you'll be able to make changes to your web pages if needed and prepare for easy sharing. Upon clicking, you'll be redirected to the editing environment, and it may take a moment for Weebly to load your site's design interface, so be patient if it doesn't appear instantly. After entering the site editor, locate the Settings tab. It's usually on the top or side of the menu bar depending on your layout. Within this settings area, you'll find an option named Site Address. Click on it to view or change details related to your site's URL. Here's the critical step. Under your site address, there should be an option to view your unpublished site's URL. Copy this address carefully, ensuring there are no extra characters or spaces added to the string. This URL is what allows you to share your site privately. With the copied link, you're now ready to share it with friends, colleagues, or mentors to gather their valuable feedback. You might consider sending the link via email, social media, or any messaging platform you prefer. Be sure to express what kind of feedback you're looking to get so that the comments you receive are